Quick tip: use your American Express card to get up to $200 back on wellness purchases like an Oura Ring or health subscriptions. Most cardholders miss this because the credit lives in benefits pages and only applies to specific merchant categories. Eligible purchases typically include wearable health devices, fitness trackers, subscription health apps, and select wellness retailers. The hack: confirm eligibility, enroll if needed, then charge qualifying purchases to your Amex before the credit period ends. For example, buying an Oura Ring or paying its subscription can trigger the credit and cover part or all of the cost up to $200. Before buying, always check the exact benefit name, eligible dates, and any enrollment requirements in your Amex account. Step 1. Log into your American Express account and confirm the wellness credit and whether enrollment is required. Step 2. Verify merchant codes and descriptions. Qualifying purchases usually list wearable tech, health subscriptions, or wellness retailers. Step 3. Make the purchase with your Amex card. Keep screenshots of the transaction, order confirmations, and receipts. Plan to use the full amount. If your card offers $100 or $200, time purchases so you maximize the credit before it resets. If a credit doesn't post, avoid third-party sellers and contact Amex with your proof of purchase for review. Now check your Amex benefits, enroll if needed, buy your wellness gear or subscriptions, and claim the credit.